China just ended America's tech dominance. Here's how it happened. What if I told you that the global balance of power just shifted, not with a war, not with an election, but with a chip the size of your fingernail? What if I told you that China did something everyone said was impossible, and in doing so, it may have just ended America's uncontested dominance in the world of technology? This is the story of the tech revolution no one saw coming, and why the next decade will not look like the last. Today, we're diving deep into how China quietly, strategically, and relentlessly built a tech empire capable of challenging, some say surpassing, the United States. This is about strategy, innovation, ambition, and the race to control the technologies that shape the future. Because the nation that leads in AI, chips, quantum computing, and robotics leads the world. The rise: how China built a tech machine. For years, global experts dismissed China as a country that could manufacture but not innovate. But then something changed, quietly, slowly, and then all at once. 1. The turning point. Made in China 2025. In 2015, China revealed a plan that would become the blueprint for its entire future. Made in China 2025. A strategy to turn China from the world's factory into the world's innovation hub. It targeted 10 strategic industries, including AI, robotics, advanced chips, quantum tech, electric vehicles. And here's the part Western analysts laughed at. China wasn't planning for 5 years, or 10, it was planning for 50. Long-term thinking became China's biggest weapon. The chip shock, when the world realized the game had changed. For decades, American companies dominated semiconductor design, equipment, and software. China depended on foreign chips for everything from smartphones to fighter jets. So when the US struck with chip sanctions, the world expected China to collapse technologically. Instead, China struck back. 2. The breakthrough nobody expected. In 2023 to 2024, China unveiled a chip that stunned analysts. A 7-nanometer semiconductor made by SMIC. Something most experts said was impossible under sanctions. This was the moment people realized China didn't just survive the tech war, it accelerated because of it. And as the world debated how China pulled it off, Beijing was already working on something bigger. The AI leap, where China surpasses the US in scale. If America leads in AI research, China leads in AI deployment, and sometimes that's more powerful. 3. The data advantage. China has something no other country has: the world's largest population plus the world's largest digital ecosystem. More people plus more usage equals more data. More data equals better AI. Apps like WeChat, Douyin, TikTok China, Alipay, Baidu Maps generate mountains of real-world data every second. This gives Chinese AI companies an advantage that money cannot buy. 4. AI in real life. While Western countries debate AI ethics and regulation, China has already deployed AI judges issuing legal recommendations, AI doctors diagnosing early-stage diseases, AI logistics operating entire warehouses, robotaxis running in multiple cities, AI-powered police systems predicting high-risk zones. This isn't science fiction, this is operational scale. The hardware revolution, where China outbuilt everyone. You can't lead in AI without hardware. You can't build hardware without factories. And China has the world's largest manufacturing base. 5. The electric vehicle shockwave. BYD, NIO, XPeng. Companies most people outside China ignored until they overtook American and European car giants. BYD didn't just beat Tesla in global EV sales, it built its entire supply chain in-house. Batteries, chips, motors, everything. This model is now being copied worldwide. 6. Robotics and automation. China now produces half the world's industrial robots. Factories that once needed 10,000 workers now need 1,000 robots. This is how China scaled so fast. If humans are slow, replace them with machines. The quantum surprise, a threat to US security. Quantum computers can break encryption. Whoever leads this field gains a near unbreakable strategic advantage. In 2021 and 2022, China announced breakthroughs in quantum communication and quantum supremacy experiments. Western experts were alarmed because if China gets there first, it could decode military communications, shut down foreign satellites, and reshape the cybersecurity landscape. Quantum isn't about the economy. It's about global power, the strategic secret, how China achieved all this. Three elements created the unstoppable engine behind China's tech rise. 7. Massive government investment, trillions poured into R&D, infrastructure, and education. 8. A hyper-competitive private sector, Alibaba, Tencent, Huawei, ByteDance. Each one a global giant in its own arena. 9. A culture of speed, scale, and iteration. China doesn't wait for perfect. It launches fast, scales fast, fixes fast. Speed is China's superpower. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video because the world is changing fast, and we're here to help you stay one step ahead.